Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have JBL Live Pro 2 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. You're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these earbuds are not working, like they're not connecting to your phone, or they're not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth, or the left earbud is not working or the right earbud is not working, so you're only getting sound out of one ear. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, if it doesn't fix it and you want to get a new set of earbuds, you can check the link in the description for a good set of earbuds at a good price. But anyways, the other reason you might want to do this reset is if for whatever reason you have to want to delete all of the pairing history, wipe everything off of these earbuds, so you can basically set them up like they're new coming out of the box. This will do that for you, and it's real easy. We just want to take them out of the case. They should have a decent charge because we're going to need to take them out of the case, and they're going to need to be on when we take them out. So once they're out of the case and on, we're just going to come in and we're going to do 2 taps on the back button and then a 3rd tap, and on the 3rd tap we're going to hold for 5 seconds. So it's going to look like this. Tap, tap, hold for 5 seconds, and after those 5 seconds, the earbuds will reset, and they'll reset into their factory default settings. You can go ahead and set these up as a new set of earbuds.